Welcome to another Procreate tutorial. You can draw this in Procreate. This is color palette. First, fill the canvas with dark blue. Use mono line brush. Draw a circle. Fill it with color. Adjust it. Now use soft brush. Opacity at 32%. Brush size at 12%. Now we are adding some light behind the earth. First, add light color. Now add some dark one. Next, using chalk, we will create the continents. Fill it with color. Don't forget to hit a subscribe button for more videos. Now add some texture on surface. Next, add some sandy color from darker to lighter one. Next, using cotton brush, we add some clouds on our earth. Next, using the liquify tool, we will give a nice shape to clouds. Now we add a darker part to our earth and rearrange the position. Next, we add a lighter part to our earth and rearrange the position. Again, using soft brush, we add some lighter shades around the earth to give a best view. Now add tiny stars. Next, add some bright stars. Now add a flare. Rearrange it. Then duplicate this one. Now add a little more glow there. Add more bright stars. And that's it. We have created Earth planet. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Write in a comment section what you want to see in the next video. Do subscribe to our channel to support us.